I'm going to show how to clean the dust bin filters on a Dirt Devil Endura Reach vacuum. Press down on the top release button to remove the dust bin. Hold the dust bin and turn the top counterclockwise to remove it. Remove the cyclone canister by pulling it up. You can use the vacuum brush to clean off the canister. To replace the canister, match up the top tab with the matching slot on the bin and push it down into the dust bin. Turn the foam and rinsable filter counterclockwise to remove them. Pull off the foam filter. The foam filter can be shaken or patted to remove dirt and dust. The rinsable filter can be tapped against the inside of a garbage can or brushed off to remove the dust. If you rinse off the foam or rinsable filter with water, they recommend allowing them to dry for 24 hours before putting them back into the vacuum. Pull the foam filter over the rinsable filter. Line up the tabs on the filter to the slots on the top and turn clockwise to lock it in place. Slide the tab on the top into the slot marked unlocked, then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. The bottom of the dust bin goes in first, then push the top in place.